Hi guys, welcome to Cartex. Today I'm in the Skoda Enyaq with the new ME3.2 software. So some new functions on the car and a bit more stable, a bit quicker. So not that much compared to the 3.1 to 3.0 upgrades, but some minor upgrades. So let's see. So guys, the 3.2 update will have some increasement in the DC charging times and speed. The bigger batteries, so the 80 batteries, will get a maximum of 170 kilowatts, and the charging curve will be more stable, so it will keep the maximum a bit longer and less downfall on the slow charging speeds, so a little bit better. Also new on the 3.2 update is the more easier working plug and charge system. So the charging without using your charging pass, etc. or app, you can just connect it to your app, and when you charge at Ionity, it will accept much quicker. It doesn't take long to start the charging, so a little improvement on that. Also new on the 3.2 software update is the DC charging points, etc. The navigation now works with e-route planner, so it will know the charging points much better. You can even select them on how quick you want to charge, so 50 kilowatts on the DC charging or more than 50. So works a bit better, more stable navigation, so little improvements there. So what we see now on the three little dots over here, you can now push on charging, station filter, and you can filter between some different charging points, so more than 50, more than 100 kilowatt if they are available, and even power pass or Ionity filter, so a bit easier on the long trips. Also new on the 3.2 update is that you can now personalize the charging preferences. So do you want to charge it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes? You can also put it in the navigation now. Only works with navigation, so I can show you guys now. So you can more easy charge it in some short stops, in case of the longer stops the navigation you use normally. Also on the 3.2 software are some minor updates to the voice control. Skoda says it's on premium level now, so I've used it. It's not that premium, but okay, it works. It works a little bit better. It's clearer, and it doesn't say some wrong things when you want to navigate or call someone. Also new on the 3.2 software, there must be Spotify and Apple Music now in the shop, but I can find them. Don't know why, because it says there must be the app for both of them, but maybe there isn't in Holland, so maybe some of you guys can find them. And guys, on my ID4 there are some games on the 3.1 software. Also couldn't find them in the ID bus with the 3.2 software, and also in this Enyaq I can find them anymore. Sort of annoying, but I use them a lot, these games. I don't think you guys do, but I like them. So guys, some minor upgrades on the 3.2 software. We're getting there. Also some new models will get there at the moment with 3.5, but it's in the Volkswagen cars, so the new ID3. I also know the ID7 has the 4.0 software, so we're getting there. So please like, subscribe and share. Keep in touch with you, and until next time.